Can you hear me? I cannot hear you.
Yes, I can hear you fine. How are you?
I am fine. How are you, ma'am? Good
I'm
morning.
all right.
Thank you for joining. I saw your notes and details and your docs. So
Mm-hmm.
you needs typically I prepared permit set and relevant of permit set. So
Mm-hmm.
first you send me a one picture and floor plan. So do you need only pull up this floor plan or full permit sets?
I don't need a full permit set because I don't know if I'm going to move forward with the project. Yeah,
No,
I need what I can take to the builders to see if
okay.
it's a viable design, if it's equitable. As of right now, I own two vacant lots. They're up for sale. But if I could actually build on them and make a profit, I'll keep them. But as of right now, they're not in like a gentrified area where a lot of building is going on. So, it's not, it would be something just either you're selling them outright or you're putting the building up for a profit, a decent profit. But as of right now, the amount that people want per square footage for the area based off of their plans or their ideas is not viable. So I want my own set to say, hey, can you build this structure? I already have um, how much it would cost if I'm putting down a concrete slab or how much it'll cost if I'm digging out a basement. So I have those two different costs and then just to raise a building on it. The only thing that I really have going for me right now is that it is a double lot. And some of the buildings, it's kind of like you're putting up a duplex, but you sell each of them individually. And that's the only thing that seems to be able to make it equitable. Other than that, just to put one building up on one lot, it would not be a wise financial decision. So as of right now, I just want something that I could take to the builders. Like we actually have the same way I came on this app. They have apps where you can put your plans out there and builders actually bid on uh what you send them and then move forward with creating them. So right now I just want the bare basics. Maybe that's like a 2D plan, architecture. Um, you know, you let me
Yes,
know. You let me know the itemize. Like if
yes,
MEP,
yes,
yeah, if
now I can,
MEP is, feasible. I just wanted the best thing to relay my idea. So the one I
yes,
sent you was when I was looking at modular, because originally I was trying to do a modular build, but modular doesn't really work in Philadelphia because the streets are too narrow to actually move a already a pre-constructed home. So I had to do away with the modular, but the plan you saw was for modular. Unfortunately, the lot is a little narrow. So if I could pretty much have the same thing, because that's the most resemblant to our row houses, like Philadelphia has a lot of row houses. So that's the most resemblant to our row houses that the city approves. As of right now, structures can be higher than 38 feet tall. So sometimes you could do 3 stories, sometimes you could do 2 story, whichever cost is, like I said, the neighborhood isn't where I could get, hundreds of thousands of dollars. So I wouldn't try to put something there that, won't sell in the black.
yes,
So,
I can
I was just
understand.
looking for the simplest thing. Now, what I sent you was 15 um
By 15 by,
by 6. Yeah,
yes,
the actual lot is 14 point
14 10
10.
inch, 14 10 inch.
Yeah, 14 10 inch. So if it's any way that you could do a design where you're shaving that, I think less than a foot, you know,
Yes,
off for it to
yes,
fit the narrow
yes,
lot,
yes,
then
yes.
that would work for me. So you could just tell me if it's feasible or not.
Yes, this is feasible. Thank you. Thank you. I got it. You needs builder conceptual plan or bidding drawings, like
Yes.
building drawing. So for the bidding drawings, I think you needs floor plan,
Yes.
and your door window schedule, building height means elevations,
Yes.
elevations,
Elevation. Yes.
surrounding elevations, dimensions, to some extent roof plan. So this should be your needs for reach your to provide them and asking their bidding price, right?
Okay. Yeah, that sounds good.
So we can go for two part. First would be pull up your floor plan.
Mm-hmm.
Floor plan you provided me. I can send you your floor plan, and after prepare floor plan, we can go forward for elevations, sections, interior details, door windows. So we can go for two parts.
Okay.
So two parts. It would be get this type of building architecture. I work with $700 to $800 total.
Okay.
So we can go for two parts, 350 for fixing floor plan and
Mm-hmm.
350 for next all drawings.
Okay. That's fine. So I know, I think I read something where you're able to make a certain amount of changes. How many
Yes,
changes would I be able to make off of the first 350? And this is a double
yes,
lot.
yes,
So whatever you're doing, you're doing 2 4 by I think the second lot on 40 459 has different
yes,
dimensions.
yes,
I think it's a little
yes,
shorter. Yeah.
yes.
But it
Oh,
still fits
so
within the 50.
so
It's still
so
with
no problem. So no
no
problem.
problem.
First 350 we can
Mm-hmm.
change 3 to 4 times
Okay.
in this
Change
floor
3 to
plan.
4 times. Okay.
Yes.
And it starts at 350.
And 350 next 350 would be
Mm-hmm.
architectural like elevation, door window, fixture fixing, your
Mm-hmm.
some wall details, and your miscellaneous structure, not full structure. Your
Not
builder
full
bidding,
structure.
your
Okay.
construction, builder conceptual drawings
Building
that builder
consumption
can build.
drawings.
Yes, builder can know that this wall should be dry wall, this wall should be wall, this floor
Okay.
should be tiles, this wall should be paint. So
Okay.
these details, and window size should be like W1 is 4 feet by 5 feet, something like this.
Okay. Okay. That sounds like a start.
Okay, no, thank you, ma'am. So I am going to send you offer. After you
Mm-hmm.
accept offer, we can start from tomorrow.
Okay. And what's the turnaround time?
Okay, our turnaround time, I need 4 days for first floor plan. And
Okay.
your review, we can put 10 days for this time because
Mm-hmm.
4 days I provide you have some corrections and notes. So this first 350 we can put 10 days.
Okay. All right. That sounds good. Send over your
Okay.
offer.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. I hope I can enjoy for great work and your great drawings.
Thank you so much. Have a
Thank
good
you.
one.
Okay, have a great day, ma'am. Thank you very much.